Hi there! In this video, I will show you the step-by-step process of how to share question response on Instagram story. To start, open your Instagram account and tap on the plus icon to access the story creation interface. Then next, select create and then choose the question option. This is where you can invite your followers to ask you question, join a fan survey, or help you decide on something. So go ahead, customize your question, making it as engaging as you like, and once you're satisfied, tap the share button to post it on your story. Now let's move to the responses. If someone has answered your question, then go to your story and tap on activity at the bottom left of your screen. And from there, click on responses. Then Instagram will then present you with options whether to message the sender, share the response, or delete it. Since we want to share a response, click on the share response button. Now here comes the fun part. You can now respond to the answer in various ways. Use words, share a video, or even post a picture. Once you've crafted your response, simply share it by tapping on Share to Story, and there you have it. Your question and the response are now beautifully showcased on your Instagram story, creating an interactive and engaging experience for your followers. This is a fantastic way to connect with your audience and add a personal touch on your Instagram presence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.